While pineapple is perfect for making delicious drinks and desserts, they also go well with savory dishes. This sweet, tangy fruit with its fragrant aroma transports today's recipe to a fun tropical direction. In a large mixing bowl, we're going to combine ground chicken, garlic, carrots, onions, egg, to make the meatballs more delicious and moist, use fresh breadcrumbs instead of dry breadcrumbs. So this is a leftover bread from yesterday. I just grounded it using a food processor. Put everything into the mixing bowl and mix them well until everything is well blended. Okay, everything is well blended. We're going to season it with salt and pepper, so make sure you season it generously. Mix them well again. Okay, everything is perfectly well blended. We're going to shape the meat mixture into ball about 3 tablespoons for each meatball. So just shape it and make sure your hands are clean, okay? And make sure when you're shaping it, you compress it a little bit. Okay. Just going to wash my hands. We're gonna start frying our meatballs. I have a frying pan here. I'm going to add Baguio pure coconut oil. Okay. Turn on the heat to medium. Okay, the oil is ready. So we're not going to deep fry the meatballs. I'm just going to pan fry it. So make sure you turn all the sides for even cooking. Okay, I'm going to use a thong so that it will be easier to turn all the sides. This one is ready. Okay, turn up the heat, and I'm going to set it aside. Start making the sauce. I have a wok here. Okay, I'm going to add Baguio pure coconut oil, about 2 tablespoons. Turn on the heat to medium. Time to add the ginger. Saute it for 1 to 2 minutes or until it's aromatic. Okay. I'm going to add the tomato ketchup. Soy sauce. Brown sugar. Just scramble it. Okay. Pineapple juice. Water. Whisk it until everything is well blended. Okay, once everything is well blended, I'm going to lower the heat and you let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, now to thicken the sauce, I'm going to make a cornstarch slurry. I have cornstarch here and water. Whisk them together. And then you add it to the sauce. Then whisk it. And then you simmer it for another 3 minutes or until the sauce is thickened. Okay, our sauce has thickened already. I'm going to put the meatballs into the sauce. Okay, I'm just gonna use my hands, it's faster. And then I'm gonna add the pineapple chunks. And then I'm gonna reserve some pineapple for the garnish. Now we're going to mix until the meatballs are well coated in the sauce. Okay, this is ready. Turn off the heat and we're going to transfer it to a serving dish. Now let's have a taste. Okay, I'm gonna get the meatballs, pineapple, and the sauce. Okay. This is so good. It's really delicious. I just love how each ingredient shines in this dish. You will be amazed how tender the chicken balls are, and the Hawaiian barbecue sauce, it enhances the subtle chicken flavor. This is perfect for every occasion, especially for the coming holidays. This is so good.